In the last few years, AI has shifted from a futuristic concept to a practical tool that entrepreneurs can use to build and scale businesses. What was once accessible only to massive corporations with billion-dollar budgets is now available to anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. Imagine starting a business today where AI handles customer service, generates content, automates marketing, and even helps with product development. This isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. Entrepreneurs who embrace AI early will gain a competitive edge, reducing costs while increasing efficiency and scalability. But how do you actually build an AI-powered business from scratch? What tools do you need? What kind of business model works best with AI? And how can you ensure you're not just following trends, but actually creating a sustainable company? This deep dive will guide you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right business model to leveraging AI tools for automation and growth. Why AI is a game changer for entrepreneurs. AI is transforming business operations in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. It allows startups to compete with industry giants by automating repetitive tasks, making data-driven decisions, and offering personalized experiences to customers. Some of the biggest advantages of AI in entrepreneurship include automation. AI can handle tasks like customer support, email responses, social media posts, and even bookkeeping. Scalability. AI-driven businesses can grow faster by reducing human labor costs and optimizing operations. Personalization. AI analyzes customer data to create personalized recommendations, emails, and advertisements. Cost efficiency. AI reduces the need for large teams, cutting operational costs significantly. 24/7 availability. AI-powered chatbots and automated systems work around the clock, improving customer experience. Understanding these benefits is the first step. The next step is choosing the right AI-driven business model. Choosing an AI-powered business model. There are several AI-driven business models that entrepreneurs can explore. Some require technical expertise, while others can be started with no coding knowledge. 1. AI content creation businesses. AI-generated content is in high demand. Tools like Chat, Jasper, and Copy.ai help entrepreneurs create blog posts, ad copies, email newsletters, and even books. Possible business ideas. Powered blog writing services. AI-generated ad copywriting. AI-assisted script writing for videos and podcasts. AI-driven social media content creation. Many businesses are already using AI content tools to streamline their marketing. Entrepreneurs can sell AI-generated content as a service or use it for their own content marketing efforts. 2. AI-powered e-commerce. AI is revolutionizing e-commerce with features like automated product descriptions, personalized recommendations, and AI-powered customer support. 3. AI automation services. Businesses are looking for AI automation solutions that can save time and improve efficiency. Entrepreneurs can create services that help businesses automate tasks like scheduling, invoicing, customer support, and data analysis. Possible business ideas. AI chatbot development for businesses. AI-powered virtual assistant services. Automated AI-based lead generation tools. AI-driven workflow automation consulting. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, and OpenAI's GPT models allow non-technical founders to build automation tools with minimal coding. 4. AI consulting and training. Many businesses want to use AI but don't know where to start. Entrepreneurs with AI knowledge can offer consulting services, helping companies integrate AI tools into their workflows. Possible business ideas. AI training programs for businesses. AI workshops for professionals. AI strategy consulting. Customized AI tool development. This business model works well for those with expertise in AI and a deep understanding of how different industries can leverage artificial intelligence. Building your AI-powered business step by step. 1. Identifying a problem that AI can solve. The best businesses solve problems. Before choosing an AI tool or model, think about what problem your business will address. Does a particular industry struggle with inefficiency? Are businesses spending too much time on manual tasks? Are customers looking for more personalized experiences? By identifying a pain point, you'll have a solid foundation for building a business that actually provides value. 2. Selecting the right AI tools. AI tools vary based on their functionality. Some of the most popular categories include content generation. Chat, Jasper, Copy.ai chatbots and automation, ManyChat, OpenAI's API. Drift e-commerce. AI Shopify Magic Reconvert, Clerk.io data analysis, and AI insights to blow. MonkeyLearn. Data robot choosing the right tool depends on your business model. Testing multiple platforms can help you determine what works best for your specific needs. The future of AI-powered entrepreneurship. AI is not just a tool, it's a revolution. Entrepreneurs who embrace AI today will be the business leaders of tomorrow. The ability to automate processes, generate intelligent insights, and personalize experiences at scale will define the next wave of successful startups. But AI is constantly evolving. The businesses that thrive will be the ones that stay ahead of trends, adapt to new AI advancements, and continue learning. The most important thing to remember is that AI doesn't replace entrepreneurs, it empowers them. The best AI-driven businesses are those that blend human creativity with AI efficiency. If you've ever wanted to start a business but felt overwhelmed by the time and resources it takes, AI is the solution. The barriers to entry have never been lower. The opportunities have never been greater. The only question left is, what will you build?